Hello. Hello, andito na po kami sa facilities ng saan po nila dinala si President. Ngayon, we are trying to make an appointment. Pete will doing for the appointment na unsa-una mo padala ang jacket, pagkaon, but I know we are not allowed for the food, but as long as we have the appointment, they try because itong mga kasama ko nurse, and then gusto nilang makita ang health status nating presidente, and we know that our president March 28 I think his birthday, and he's 80 years old, and inilagay nila dito, napakalamig right now, malamig masyado dito. So we have also a GMA here, mga Tagalog, and we said nasasaktan kami with the ABS or the GMA because hindi sincerong nagmamahayag kung ano ang katotohanan, ano ang mga feelings ng ating mga kababayan dito sa ito, galing ito sila sa Belgium. The other, Germany, this is Germany, Belgium. Wala po kaming bayad, hindi po kami binabayaran na andito, sarili namin ang pagpunta dito. Sariling pera, sarili naming gastos. So kami, naka-hotel kami. We spend more than 100 euro. Now, Pete is doing good para sa appointment nila with a lady from Germany. There, para makapasok. We are trying our best to get an appointment, and we call inside. Ikaw from Hamburg, Germany, anong masasabi mo sa ating presidente na ngayon gidetain nila dito sa penitentiary interesting Haglanden na wala pong hindi po ating bansa ito. Kung nagkasalang ang isang Pilipino, he should be tried in our own country, in the Philippines, because we believe that the president is a Filipino, a real Filipino. He loves the Filipinos. Meron din po tayo dito, ito sila po mga Pilipino rin, hindi ko rin alam kung ang pamamahayag nila ay makatotohanan. Kami po ay andito, walang bayad para kunin ano po yung totoo. So kami ay nagagrupo rin dahil natatakot kami na sa ibang we are here, we are not paid by the Marcos.
No.
Yeah, we are here to sympathize. We are from Belgium, Germany, and Germany with our own money.
Our reporter from ako rin ABS-CBN, Zen Hernandez po.
Zen Hernandez.
She's also reporting, taga dito.
I'm an ex-mayor of Cabacan.
Talaga?
I'm a two-termer. My husband is also a mayor. And we
gagamitin nyo lang kami eh.
Bakit
Against
naman?
kayo kay Duterte.
Oo. She's a nurse.
Yeah.
She tried to check the health of our president. He's an 80 years old by March 28.
So pwede nga po,
he was
diba?
kidnapped in the Philippines.
Oo. Kasi parang we will mention na nandito yung supporters. Sa totoo lang, syempre may magsasabi na hindi pinapakita ang supporters now. We're showing people.
Yeah.
That's what
You
we're
can
doing.
show us that we are not paid.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And he's my husband.
Are you married to
Yeah.
Yeah.
He married at the Bawenya.
From the Philippines. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the way here.
Email mo, Pete.
So you helped her like fly over
I'm
here?
Ben Herman.
Yeah.
Na-live ka ba?
Ay, hindi po.
Pero pwede,
Yeah,
baka
siguro.
pwede po na makita kayo. Kung gusto niyo lang
Oh yeah, pwede.
sa likod niya.
Yeah. We can. Yeah, she is asking, Pete.
requested them to, parang show up at your
Yeah, because we are the supporter, so that they can see that we are here from Belgium, Germany, and we are not paid by the Marcos. We
Pero
are
papakita
here.
lang po kayo,
Yeah,
na para masabi niya na may
Yeah.
mga pumunta po dito na supporters.
Yeah. We make an appointment to talk to the president.
Magkakasama po kayo,
Yeah.
ba? Ayan.
No.
hiwalay.
Hiwalay.
You don't know
Naka-hotel
how to
kami.
make an appointment to enter the
Oh yeah, it's all right, Pete. Do the appointment, the abstract.
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
I don't know the phone number.
Yeah, there the email. Make an email. That is your work. That is your helping hand to us Filipino here in Belgium. Yeah, here is the.
Hindi ko na alam. Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Gininag po ang ating presidente na 80 years old by March 28 without any process. Napakasakit na tayong mga politiko. I'm an ex-mayor of Kabakan for 2 terms and my husband too. But I was here in Belgium because I was married and given a child. Of course. Yeah. Because my Filipino kababayan there love to see where is the president. Here, napakalamig po. It's 8 degrees. Ang kamay po namin ay tumitigas. Ang aming kaloobo ay umiiyak. What happened to our dear and beloved president? Andito po, nilakan namin ito. No, the car. The car cannot.
I cannot.
It's alright, Pete. It's alright.
Okay.
Yeah, it's alright.
Let me stay there.
Yeah, you stay here.
Here. Okay.
Yeah. It's alright.
Let me stay there.
Yeah, you stay here.
Here. Okay.
Yeah.
Heb je kunnen blijven?
Pete, the abstract. Now they said that they want to get my ano yan, yung opinion.
Ik heb ook geprobeerd. Het was een
Hindi, sabihin ko,
Gusto na sila infote.
Ha?
Ay, dili sila kasabot.
Sa kasabot.
Ayaw pa-share og pa-share og info.
Netherlands here.
Pete, you just the one who talk.
to
The support because you are very good in Netherlands. Yeah, so that they understand even Netherlands, Dutch people helping the president.
They are the people who are against the president.
Yeah.
We know them.
Mm.
And they are using us because they don't understand. They cannot go inside and ask them. That's why they want to
it's
ask
not
us.
allowed.
They
But
want
you
to
cannot do
interview.
anything. We need to
We have to do something.
send
Time.
email.
No,
or
it's
something.
ringing. Okay, ringing. What ik ben Philippines.
We are making an appointment now. Rara lang ga. Yeah.
Okay, is goed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Denk ik.
Pete, help them.
Nee, it's a sound. Wait, walked in. It's altered. Celta. Nakikuan man sila sa amo mo ride sila sa amo kay sila kasabot sa daw kay nagistorya na mo ko dito sa kuan penitentiary center sa gibut gidala gid nila diri sa prisuhan ha.
Makuan jud sila na bayaran.
I go first after my
Yan po
car.
yung mga bayaran na ABS-CBN. Ngayon sabi niya I can stand up in front of the building where the president was detained, but they know that I am pro PRRD. Now they are no longer interested that I'll be interviewed. Okay, it's very good. And here we are, mga Bisaya na talagang lumalaban ng katotohanan. And this one, mga nurse, gusto namin makapasok lang, makita lang namin ano ang kalagayan ng ating presidente. So, ito sila, hindi rin makapasok, but they try to use us. And then, ano yung mga,
Hindi na sila magpa-interview. Hindi man kung mubanat lang ka.
mubanat tadi man sila gusto.
Tama, yun. Kaya nakita na po nga mga balay ba?
Mm.
Sila sa atbang ang mga tao.
Mm.
Tama, yun. Wala paghapon else? Can we open on online, please? Dr. RCC.
Dapat magkuan jud ta kay mauda na puta og baterya ani.
Sis, niya, sis, oh. Ikaw daw, sis.
Di daw siya kadungog.
Ikanit foreign. Yeah. Wak.
Hindi pa kami nakapasok sa appointment. What is it? Di siya. $4:30. It means what time is it?
Dili na ko kay naglubat na ko. Wala na.
I-email man ka.
Nag-email na.
Nag-email na? Dili man wala mo ko ano, dili mo access. Kung sa may email, wala man. Panguta pangayo sa kali ko. Ni sa may tapin. Pangayo email address dito. Another number sis, ina.
Yeah, we cannot.
And it's bragging for that.
Oh, nagatang siya.
Mm.
Sulod si ate. Nabi isla kasabot.
Kaning mga Bisaya, ang mga Tagalog din na. Di sila kasabot sa tuwa.
Aptik ay na ayaw kong pagtagalog.
Mo lagi. Oh,
Unsa man mo Dutch man ay mo ni?
Dili ni
German.
Oh, German.
Oh.
Dankeschön.
Ingat po tayo dito. Kabila is ABS-CBN and GMA. Tapos kanina gusto nila akong interviewin nung nalaman nila na we sympathize with the president. Nag-undang na sila mag-interview sa ato. It's alright. Ang amin lang is para makita nila na we are here for the PRRDs. Ang kanyang kalusugan at may kasama kaming mga nurse from Belgium.
Share ako ni Paad. Tanawan ako nagdala ng mga jacket ang Duterte.
Oo.
Kapag ko kaya na niya mga dala. Pati medyas, bag-o new,
Sayang gani,
mga
hindi niya madala.
underwear.
Nagsige pataglakaw. Hindi man niya madala mga tagwi.
Ihatag niya ibili lang. Hindi man mo ibili sa pulis. Oh, inscription mo.
Sige ra.
Wala daw silang kabalo sa headquarter Jud.
Mo ato na po da headquarters.
Sa kanang pangutana sa headquarter Jud. Sa headquarter. Kaya naman
Speed.
si car.
konti.
Ingon siya na wala gid mi kabalo na kay kami
Di- asa naman to?
mag-process kung unsay request.
Asa na to siya?
Processing ra kay ni.
Di rin nila gidetain. O mag-process ta.
Pero
Appointment
mudawat
kita.
uwa nga gikan sa headquarter.
Sa tingin ko lang gagi kuan ka ng ikuha ni pitang sakyanan.
Iya,
Mas mayo
Para kani ayaw gyud mo kuan ka na.
Siguro inyo nang gipriso ng tao kay kon pero dili mo kanang minseleksen dadun yuli ni akong
Meaning?
akong ginadna kanang human ba human wala mo paki hypocrite mo
Katawag yun ko. Nanay nagsulti. Ang kanang babae daw, si Sen Hernandez, tung ABS-CBN, nung nalaman pro PRDC, Madam, dili nag-i-interview. Always take care, Madam Luz Baker. Thank you, Risa Galay. I don't know her. What's from Dubai, Madam?